Ndewonu Igbo ndị ọma ndị nke m, kedu ka unu mere? Hello my amazing Igbo language learners, how are you all doing? Our Igbo word for today is the word Egbe Igwe. Egbe Igwe. The word Egbe Igwe in English means thunder. The word thunder in Igbo means Egbe Igwe. Egbe Igwe thunder. Egbe Igwe thunder. Let's use Egbe Igwe to make an example. Now I'm going to leave that to you to make an example in the comment section with the word Egbe Igwe. It will also help you to learn better. I know you've learned something new today. Please don't forget to practice. And one of the ways you are going to practice now is by leaving a comment with the sentence or the word Egbe Igwe used in a sentence. See you tomorrow. And don't forget to please like, subscribe, and share this video. Kemesia.